As we do more and more computing, more and more AI, the energy shift from the conventional users of energy, which is, in old generation, even now, cement plants, steel plants, etc., to data center. Today, a data center in Whitefield may be requiring or consuming 50, 60, 100, 150, 200 megawatts of electricity. Now, renewable energy, which is like a boon, also has certain challenges. As you know, solar availability depends on time of the day, as well as sometimes season and the cloud cover. Wind again depends on season and natural phenomena. So in this situation, energy storage is very critical, because as we go building more and more renewables, we have to manage the grid. One simple concept of energy is, unless it is stored, the generation has to match the demand. And there have been scenarios where excess generation had to be actually wasted because there is not enough demand when the generation is happening. So matching demand and generation with the renewable source, and that's where there is a role of hydrogen. It's a strategic shift. Hydrogen is a strategic shift, and most of my slides are related to India, because for India, it holds more than decarbonization. It's about energy independence. The recent tenders, if you have read newspapers in the last maybe a month or so, we have been able to come below $4. So 5 million tons of green hydrogen. Currently we use 6 million tons, so we are talking of almost 90% replacement of our grey hydrogen with green hydrogen. This is for 2030.